Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set and remove the screen time goal on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to restrict the usage of the device or to remove the restriction, we need to go to the settings. Now over here we need to scroll down and go to digital well-being and parental controls. And finally here you'll find screen time goal, and you can press on this button set goal in order to set the time. So let's say you want to set 1 hour of the screen time. There we go. And after that, press done. And then you will see the time remaining until you reach the screen time goal. In addition to that, if you want to remove the goal, then you can tap on this panel. Sorry, not on the panel, but on the goal over here. So here, if you tap on goal and then time, then you can either adjust the screen time goal, or you can press delete over here in the bottom left corner. Select delete and then confirm that you want to delete this goal. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!